In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on my Amazon FBA business and what steps I'm about to take to get me closer to that infamous $100,000 in revenue a month. Stay tuned. Drivers, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, and if you're new to the channel, what's up? My name is David Liggins II with no rev limits, and I am excited to be back. In this channel, I'm currently documenting my journey from $0 to $100,000 in revenue in a single month, so in a trailing 30 days on my Amazon FBA business. If that's something that excites you, you already know what to do. Become part of the team, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, join us on my journey. I'm going to be giving you updates on how I'm going to achieve this. Whew, man, I have a bit to talk about today. I'm super excited what's going to be happening in the next month or so. For those of you who watched my previous video, I took a little bit of time off, guys. Actually, a little bit more time than I was expecting to take. I went on vacation for a few weeks and also went to China to visit my suppliers for the last week of that. Had an absolutely wonderful time. And when I got back, I just had so much to do. There was a lot of moving pieces. There were some other things that were in play, and I just could not get to making a video and get behind the camera, or in front of the camera for that matter. So my apologies, guys. I promise you, I'm trying to do better. I am trying to do better with giving you more consistent content, but boy, sometimes it's difficult. Anyway, so where am I with the business right now, guys? Well, man, it's crazy. I actually had to go back and listen to my previous video and kind of see where I was. And I was at the point where I was doing almost $24,000 in 30 days with my current products. Those same products have been doing about $40,000 in revenue a month. A little bit more than that sometimes, a little bit less, but on average about $40,000 in revenue a month. I've been doing about 25% profit margins. I'm trying to get that up to like 27, closer to 30 if I can. But that is absolutely crazy. I didn't really think that my current line of products would be able to do that type of revenue. And it seems like it's going to be pretty consistent throughout the year. So that's definitely exciting. That brings me to this next point. So the crazy thing about it is I've been spending, I guess pretty much since the beginning of the year, I had an idea of how I was going to really differentiate my brand from all the competitors who are trying to come in and copy me. They're not gonna be able to copy this, not easily at least. And I know that my quality is gonna be super high, okay? So I'm gonna have a premium product, expanding on the product line that I'm already selling. And that brings me to another thing. I went into China to visit my supplier, and I remember saying that I am going to launch 2 new products. Well, that 2 turned into 4. This has the potential to bring me very close to a 7-figure business a year. But we're looking for $100,000 a month. I still want to break the $100,000 a month mark. All right. One of my main goals this year was to hit a minimum of $500,000 in revenue. One of my stretch goals was $750,000 in revenue. And I do believe I can hit the $500,000 depending on how well these products go. But the $750,000 in revenue is going to be a little bit tough, but hey, you know, it's possible, but these products really had to come out the gates killing it. One of the big things that's actually going to hinder me achieving that particular goal of $750,000 in revenue is cash flow. So with the 2 product launches, I was okay with cash flow. If those started to just crush it and kill it, I'll be able to order them pretty much immediately, you know, dipping into the profits I've already earned from my other products in business in order to restock those, or I should say stay in stock and get those made and shipped in. But I'm launching 4 new products. And with those 4 products, it's going to be a bit tight keeping up with the cash flow. And that's one of the biggest lessons here is that if you have a product that's doing well and you initially start off with 1,000 units and then all of a sudden, okay, well, I ran out of stock. I need to purchase 2,000 units, but then I ran out of stock again. As you continue growing and that continues to, you see where you're going to taper off. Like my units probably taper off between 1,500 and 2,000 units a month, okay? So if at 6,000 units, I'm good for 3 months. If I sell less than an average of 2,000, I'll be good for a little bit more. So I just purchased 6,100 units of my best-selling product, which should last me 3 months or a little bit more, so I won't have to order them as soon. The problem with ordering 1,000 units of each of these new products is that if they start to crush it and do well, if I start to do the 10, 15, or even 30 units a day for these products, I'm going to be out before I can even get the other ones in. So I would have to gauge it within the first week or two, place the order, which is going to take 30 days to make and about 2 weeks to ship. It's going to be 45 days in order for me to get my new product in. And if I'm selling more than 30 a day, I'm going to be out of stock for the most part. And that's the biggest thing about cash flow, guys. So as you know, there's a lot of things going on in the space of Amazon. So I like to be transparent with my business and my brand because I'm documenting my journey going from $0 to $100,000. And I want to show that you can do it too. So I'm done with the talking. Let me show you some numbers. Take a look. All right, so here we go, guys. So here in my Seller Central, just going to look into my business report. So I'll go ahead and click the business reports here so you can know that this is current day. Let's look at what I've done year to date. There you go. I've done $150,000 year to date, doing a little bit over 9,000 units ordered. And you can see here when I recorded this first video, which was, earlier in this, I guess the month of March, I ended that month at a little bit over $40,000. And then coming in April, I did just a little bit under $40,000 at about $39,900. And you can see a little bit of a dip here. And in between April and May, what happened is I ran out of stock of 3 of the 5 items. I was able to get one in stock within the week and a half of my best-selling item. But I'm currently still out of stock with one of my other 2 best-selling items. Those are going to be in stock here in the next week. They're already landed at the fulfillment center. They should be checked in here and ready to go within the next week. And I've ordered enough. I've ordered 2,500 units of those, and it should last me 3 months. Now, so here I'm probably gonna end this month off, right around the $35,000 mark. Okay. And then I expect June to be a big month. I don't think that the beginning of June is going to go be anything crazy since my other products are going to be in stock. I do think I'm going to hit maybe going back to closer to the 40,000 mark. But then when my new products launch in the middle of June, I really think this is going to start to uptick. So my goal, and I'm hoping that I can reach it, but I do think that with these new products, I have the potential to get to over $83,000, $84,000 a month. We'll see. That would be huge, guys. That would be so huge in my journey towards $100,000 a month. Guys, and so this is one very important thing I want to point out, is that these are technically new brands. One of them was a relaunch where I started from ground zero, not selling any of the products I was selling before. And another one is a brand where I just have 3 products that were brand new, starting in November of 2018. These are all brand new products, something I haven't done before or in the past, right? So when people say that Amazon is like saturated or it's too much, that is absolutely not true, guys. There is so much opportunity with Amazon and building your physical product business online and e-commerce. Amazon is just one avenue of that, okay? Now, you can't just go in and just throw products up there and expect to win, okay? And expect to make money. You have to go at it with a strategy, with the method that works. The numbers are there. There's people who are doing this every single day, just like me, who are profiting by selling products online. We're gonna see how these next products do. You've already seen the numbers. I've showed my numbers a few times of what my current products are doing, and I'm doing it right in front of you guys, all right? $0 to $100,000 in revenue, right in front of you, in front of this camera. You can see it, okay? Don't doubt it. All right, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long, but I am glad to be back, and I'm hoping to be producing a lot more content. And I have some very interesting stuff that may be happening here in the next couple of months that I'm not going to share right now, but hopefully I'll be able to share pretty soon. If you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Go ahead, become part of the crew, smash that like button, subscribe, become part of the team. I'm going to be continuing to document my journey from $0 to $100,000 a day. And like I always say, keep driving your business to success. I'll catch you the next one. Later.